Welcome. Today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and I'll show you how to scan QR codes with our device help. So to do that, we should first open the notification panel shortcuts. And after that, somewhere here you should find the scan QR codes icon. In my case it's here. Just click here once on the second, and now we should place the QR code here in this frame. So let's do it by this way. Now just wait a second and we can copy this link to, for example, to send it from just to someone, or we can just directly open it in browser by this way. For example, I'll use it without account, so just let's wait a second, and now we can see that this is the Wikipedia link, so we can track it. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.